So welcome students. In this question you are asked to find this limit. Limit extends to pi by 2, 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2 into 1 minus sin x by pi minus 2x whole cube. So if you do the direct expansion, you can see that you will get 0 by 0 form. So let us use some manipulations to remove the indeterminacy. So first thing that I use is limit extends to pi by 2. Limit extends to pi by 2. 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2 into 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus x divided by pi minus 2x whole cube. So that is equal to limit extends to pi by 2. Let us do some substitution. So let us say pi by 2 minus x is equal to t. So let us do this substitution. Pi by 2 minus x is equal to t. Now if x tends to pi by 2, where does t go? So limit t tends to 0, right? So if pi by 2 minus x is equal to t, so if x tends to pi by 2 minus x tends to 0. So limit t tends to 0, tan of what is pi by 4 minus x by 2, that's nothing but t by 2, right? So tan t by 2 into 1 minus, this becomes pi by 2 minus x, which is t. So 1 minus cos t is 2 sine square t by 2 divided by. So what is pi minus 2x? Pi minus 2x by 2 is equal to t. So pi minus 2x is equal to 2t. So 2t whole cube. So that is equal to limit t tends to 0. So 2 times tan t by 2 into sin t by 2 into sin t by 2, sin square t by 2 divided by 8 times t into t into t. 8 times t into t into t. Now we know that as t tends to 0, t by 2, t by 2, t by 2, all this tends to 0. So if you have exactly t by 2 in the denominator, you get 1 as the answer. So what I do is I'll write t by 2, t by 2, t by 2 into 8. So I have effectively divided by 8 and multiplied by 8. So now tan t by 2 by t by 2, t tends to 0 becomes 1. So this becomes 1, this becomes 1. So the answer is 2 by 8 into 8, that is 1 by 32. So option C is the right answer to this question. Thank you.